Hi, welcome to the 5th episode of Ask Your Preschool Coach. In this segment, I take up questions from preschool owners across India and answer them. Before I start, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my videos or any of my updates. So today's question is asked to me by Jyoti Adhikari, who runs a preschool in Pune. She asks me, is starting a preschool a wise decision in the current situation today? My answer to this question is do not rush. Okay, just hold on your thoughts. I'm not saying that starting a preschool is not a wise decision, but yes, starting a preschool in the current situation is not a very great decision. Reason being, things are unpredictable. We are not sure whether the preschools will resume offline education from the next academic batch, that is June-July 2021. Okay, so do not rush into this, but what I suggest is, meanwhile, do the groundwork. Start looking out for good properties on rent. Decide on the franchisee brand. Okay, so there are two options, whether you want to go for a franchisee or you want to start your own brand. Okay, if in case you want to start a franchise preschool, start looking out for options, start meeting different brands, and accordingly take a call. Next is train yourself. This is the time where there are n number of online courses available. I have recently uploaded a course which is called as the Preschool Setup Master Course. This course is divided into 10 different topics, including how to choose a property, how to do the budgeting, what kind of marketing strategy is to be used, what kind of infrastructure you need to build, what is an ROI sheet, okay, what are the 5 most important factors you need to look at before you get into a preschool business, and so on and so forth. So train yourself in terms of how to run this business. You can find this course free of cost on my YouTube channel. Okay, just search for it. Then work on the curriculum, work on the academics. Okay, so before you get into the actual preschool business, there's so much to learn. Okay, there's so much to plan in terms of the curriculum, the academics. Okay, so get in touch with some academic expert who can build the curriculum for you. Okay, who can draft the curriculum for you. But do not invest your money right now, because till the time we have clarity on whether the schools are going to resume offline education from the next academic batch, I wouldn't advise you to invest any amount in the preschool business in the current situation. So if you are already into the preschool business, do not take a back step. There are 40% of preschools which have closed down across India because of the pandemic last year. So if you look at the situation, the amount of preschools have reduced, whereas the number of kids has gone up. Okay, so there's a huge demand for preschools, but there are less number of preschools in India today. So definitely, if you're already into the preschool business, the next 5 years it's going to be a big boom. Whereas if you're planning to start your preschool right now, just hold on, do not rush. As I said, invest more time into training yourself, learning new things, getting trained. Okay, looking out for some properties, so on and so forth. But do not invest right now into this business. Wait for at least 3 to 4 months and then you can take a call. So I hope I have given enough justice to this question and answered it the right way. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of these questions that I've answered in the upcoming segments. Thank you.